Hello, dosto. Welcome back to yet another video, and this will be an interview video with Rizwan Ansari, who has scored and secured All India rank 47 in his CMA inter examinations. So we will be asking some questions to him, which will help you in preparing for your examinations for CMA intermediate. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So hi Rizwan, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good too, thanks. Okay, so let me come to the question first. Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Rizwan Ansari. I live in Pune, Maharashtra. I qualified inter examination with securing 47th All India rank. Yeah, and currently I'm doing CMA final examination preparation.
Hmm. And
Yes.
in which month or year you have appeared for your inter examinations?
Okay. I appeared intermediate exam in June 19. Yes.
June 19. Okay. So
Yes.
was it your first attempt or second attempt?
Yeah. First attempt.
It was your first attempt. Okay. And you have secured a rank. That's good.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So what marks you got in your 12th examinations?
Acha, I got 71% in 12th examination.
Okay. You got 71% and you have secured rank in CMA
Yes.
inter.
Yes.
That's really nice. So students, you can see
Thanks.
that whatever marks you get in your 12th examinations, that doesn't matter. It's all your hard work and smart work that matters in professional examinations. So as you can see the live example of that with us. Okay. Uh, so what stream you had in your examination, in your class 12th? Science or commerce?
Okay. Commerce.
Okay, you are from commerce background only. That's good.
Yes.
And when you have secured rank,
Hmm.
so how what feeling you had and what your parents were feeling about that at that moment?
Okay, at that moment I was really happy because it feels really amazing when when you do hard work and hard work pays off, and it
Mhm.
gives sense of satisfaction when you achieve something for which you dedicatedly give time and paid your full attention.
Right. Okay. So what how you came to know about this course CMA and what motivated you to join this?
Okay, after 12th standard I did not know what I had to do in future, but I made a research. I found that CA, CMA, and CS were the top professional courses, so I choose CMA as my career.
Okay. So why not CA or CS?
Everyone was doing CA, so I had to do something different. So I choose CA, CMA.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
And when you have started doing CMA, like when you have enrolled in this course?
Okay. I started in year 2017. I gave foundation exam in December 17 and intermediate exam in June 19.
Okay, that means you have started it after your 12th examinations, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great. And how you have prepared for your CMA foundation?
Okay. In CMA foundation, 60 marks MCQ will be there. So I did MCQs properly, did daily study, regular revision. Yes.
Okay. So you have focused more on the MCQ part, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. And if I talk about CMA Inter, then how you have prepared for CMA Inter examinations because you have secured a rank. So might be your strategy for studying, might be it was different. So this is to inform the students that how they can prepare for their CMA Inter examinations.
Okay. I started intermediate examination preparation before 6 months before exam. So I did a regular revision, daily study, regular revision, and I had less time, so I did a time management.
Okay.
Yes,
So
and
time.
also marks management.
Okay. So you have done a proper analysis that how much marks you get from a topic, you can get from a topic and how much time you have to allot
Yeah.
them. Right. So in short, planning is
Yes.
necessary. Right.
Yes.
Okay. And I think you have focused on the objectives in CMA Intra as well, like you did in foundation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So as I always say that MCQs plays a very important role in the examination. So do not take it light and do prepare them and read MCQs on daily basis. And other thing that I want to know that have you taken any coachings for your CMA Inter? Also tell me what do you feel about self-study?
Okay, I did took coachings, but I feel that only coaching is not enough for clearing examination. So self study is the key to success. So at the end we have to do self study.
Yes. So basically, coaching only gives the guidance or give the concepts that how we can solve the questions and all that. But in the end, we have to revise and do all things ourselves to prepare for the examinations, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And so, what you are doing nowadays, and where you have done your articleship?
Okay. Nowadays I'm studying for final examination, which will be held on December 20th this year.
Okay.
So and I did a articleship in SR Bhargava and Company, which is situated in Pune, Maharashtra. So which is basically a GST firm, cost audit also there. Yeah, I did in practice in GST.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, so have you thought that you will be securing a rank in your CM inter examinations?
Okay. After clearing foundation exam with good marks, I wanted a rank in intermediate exam. So I studied for a rank, and in the end, I got it.
Okay, so you have prepared, you were aiming for rank only.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. I don't think that all the students who aim for a rank gets it. So it is nice. And any suggestions or tips you want to give the students who will be appearing for their CMA inter examinations?
Okay. Before appearing for the examination, do test series on every subject, solve previous year's question papers, and read MCQ and MTP and RTP issued by the institute. Yes.
Okay. So, and do you think that students can aim for a rank by doing self study?
Yeah, definitely they can get rank by
Okay.
doing self study.
Okay. So, do not estimate self study because, as Rizwan earlier told, that if we have taken coaching, then that time only we have to do self study to clear and to revise the concepts that have been taught in the coaching. So that's it. And one more thing I want to ask in the last, that how you have managed uh, your studies while you were preparing, while you were giving your examinations, like there is no holiday when you appear for both groups. So how you have managed your studies that time?
ओके. एग्जाम के टाइम पे हमको सिर्फ 10 आवर्स मिलते हैं फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट टू स्टडी. तो पहले से स्टडी ऐसा करो कि वो 10 आवर्स में वो स्टडी पूरा कवर होना चाहिए. यस.
Means it depends on your preparation. If you have prepared well, then you won't be having any issues while you will be giving both groups. And पढ़ो तो ऐसा पढ़ो कि पढ़ना बाकी ना रहे is a strategy, I guess. ठीक है, तो रिवीजन का आप एक बार रिवीजन, एक या दो बार रिवीजन तो कर ही लो. एंड एज रिजवान सेड दैट डू एमटीपीज एंड आरटीपीज एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट वन. So this is the interview of AIR 47. Rizwan Ansari is from Pune and now preparing for CMA finals. And how you are preparing for CMA finals? Will you be giving both groups for CMA finals as well?
Yeah, both groups.
And aiming for a rank?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. And December 2020 attempt is yours, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, nice. So it was a nice and good session with Rizwan Ansari. And if you have any queries, please don't directly ping him. I put the link of his email ID in the description. You can ping him. I was just kidding at the time. So this is it. And thank you, Rizwan, for joining us in this session. And it is really nice meeting you. So all the best, guys, and do study well, and also like this video and share with your friends who are preparing for CM Mentor, so they would be benefited from this session, I guess. That's it. And also, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to subscribe the button and hit the bell icon. See you all in the next video.